Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Reha. So आज हम करने वाले हैं
फ्लूइड आर्ट चैलेंज।
यस ये एक चैलेंज है। इस टाइम है ना, ये मैडम ने बोला कि मैं आर्टिस्ट हूँ, मेरे को ड्राइंग आता है।
बस आई एम गुड एट ड्राइंग रिहा।
आई एम अ ट्रू विनर एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली मुझे हारना पड़ा, तो मुझे ड्राइंग नहीं आता। इट्स ओके, ओके फाइन। अगर मैं तुम्हें ड्राइंग में नहीं हरा सकती, आई कैन एटलीस्ट चैलेंज यू फॉर पेंटिंग, राइट? और पेंटिंग में तो मैं जीत ही सकती हूँ क्योंकि इसमें ड्राइंग इन्वॉल्व नहीं होती। सो
ऐसा तुझे रियल लगता है, पर उसमें भी मैं जीतूंगी। देख
प्लीज, नो वे, I'm
Yes,
gonna
we
win it.
always.
I am gonna win it and I know it because winning is in me.
लास्ट 2 चैलेंजेस में शायद से मैं ही जीती हूँ।
इस बार मैं जीतने वाली हूँ, कुछ भी हो मैं ही, क्योंकि पेंटिंग है, ड्राइंग नहीं है। ड्राइंग मुझे आती नहीं थी, ये तो मैं कतई नहीं कह रही।
कौन लगता है कि कौन जीतेगा?
सपोर्ट मी गाइस। लेट्स स्टार्ट। अभी हमने पूरा सेटअप कर लिया हमारा।
रिहा,
Do you remember वो Hannah Montana का एक एपिसोड है? She forgot like the national anthem on live stage.
no, I don't remember. But I do remember that एक एपिसोड में भूल जाती है।
Yeah.
हाउस फ्लाई एक्चुअली।
Yeah, actually house fly something वैसे कुछ रहता है।
हम लोग एक्चुअली और एक सेट के लिए देख रहे थे ऑफ डिफरेंट कलर्स, बट शॉप में बस यही अवेलेबल कलर्स थे।
That's why. ये मेरा कैनवस है।
सो जस्ट इन केस अगर आप लोगों को नहीं पता फ्लूइड आर्ट क्या है, तो वी यूज़ कप्स लाइक दीज एंड जनरली ये तो यूज़ नहीं करते, बट वी थॉट अगर इन केस अगर ज़रूरत पड़ी तो जनरली डायमंड्स ऐसे कप में दे मिक्स ऑल द कलर दैट दे वांट का एक मिक्सचर बनाते हैं एंड उसको फोर करते हैं इस कैनवस पे एंड उसको टर्न एंड टिल्ट करके दे क्रिएट अ डिज़ाइन पैटर्न्स।
कैनवा प्योर सैजल।
Markers green, white, blue, a pinch of yellow, and this. It's not white, it's white.
That is white, take white, I take red. Give it. That is white. Okay, so my colors are final. Purple. So I have this pink color. Then I have yellow. And I have white with me.
So I have chosen silver paint, orange fluid liquid, then it's bright yellow, Persian blue, and white.
If you want, you can wear gloves as well. Right hand. Okay, first तू ऐड कर।
So मुझे बेस चाहिए white का, will be needing a lot of white. Yeah, I think that would be enough. तो मैंने इसमें ऑलमोस्ट इंटायर वाइट पेंट यूज़ कर दिया बिकॉज मुझे बेस कम्प्लीटली वाइट का चाहिए।
So basically मुझे भी सबसे पहले white ही चाहिए। So similar goes with me. I'm gonna add white. Okay, fine होगा अगर और आता। So I'm pouring this.
तो नेक्स्ट आई एम यूजिंग ब्लू। नेचुरल फ्लो बनने के लिए वी नीड टू कीप इट एज इट इज इसमें रहना बिकॉज वी नीड टू शो द फ्लूइडिटी इन द आर्ट, सो वी वोंट टू बी मिक्सिंग इट।
Okay guys, now it's my turn. Pink. I'm thinking to add pink in it because फिर मैं येलो यूज़ करूँगी, फिर मैं पर्पल यूज़ करूँगी क्योंकि पर्पल इज़ अ डार्क शेड and I'm gonna use it like slightly. I don't want to use it much. I'm gonna just add it. I'm gonna pour it.
मुझे नहीं पता क्यों ये रेड दिख रहा है, but
It's pink guys. Okay. अरे
अभी आई विल गो टू माई थर्ड कलर, दैट इज मैं रेड कलर यूज़ करूँगी। सो दिस इज द ब्लड रेड। It's satisfying.
yeah.
It's satisfying. So so satisfying. Blue पे red पे ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे बिंदी है।
So I'm gonna add now. So I'm gonna add yellow and this. जादू सुनसे।
वो हल्दी कुमकुम नहीं लगा रही।
Actually, this is pink. So I'm done now.
Third color, the orange. So time for orange. ये कैसा डॉट बाहर आया? ये तो funny. Oh, I'm not liking this. Yeah, I think I'm done. That's done.
And then fine.
मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं ऐड किया, इट्स जस्ट फॉर द टिंज ऑफ द ऑरेंजनेस।
Okay guys, now it's my chance. I'm gonna add purple in it.
Doing good. That's quite a contrast color. यो ये क्या रोटी बना रही है?
Yes. Like circle, 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 circle.
अब वो सर्कल तो है नहीं,
Okay, fine. ये shape में नहीं है तो what should I do, huh?
तो और खराब कर रही है.
Eh.
मुझे फ्लावर लगा कुछ
Yeah, it's a flower.
Okay guys.
उसका, and that's mine. To add a bit of yellow, I'm not sure कैसा दिखेगा ये. अच्छा जा सकता है, खराब हो सकता है. Oh, time for some sunshine. Happy thoughts, happy. It's like kiss me,
Close your eyes and
miss
miss me.
ऐसा
I can
situation है.
feel your
But just the
breath.
difference is ये चॉकलेट नहीं है. ना ये चॉकलेट का कलर है आसपास भी. It's Gaudiya.
Okay.
Mine looks good.
I'm gonna use green. Don't you think green will make it good?
I don't know. It may look good or it may look bad.
Okay, wait, let me see. Is there any color I can select? Can't add red because I have pink already.
I wanted to add this.
And I can't add other
Let's
colors.
see.
Okay, fine. No, yeah, it's gonna look horrible. Wait, I'll add orange in it.
You want this one?
Yeah, I'll try orange.
But orange is in trend right now. Did you? अभी my last tigram.
Tigram.
Metallic silver. Yes, this is good metallic. I hope I don't spoil anything. आजा बच्चा.
आगा समझ अन्ना ना वो
shit.
this is आगा समझ अन्ना ना
This is called disaster. Like she's like super active. Na? I'll do. See,
Shit,
this is what she
man.
does. See, this is what she does.
and like I was telling her literally I was saying her that don't do this oh no what the hell yeah what yeah
No,
wait yeah no huh? wait
No.
wait yo this is called crazy fight so guys
पूरा मेरा disaster के बाद रिहा का last term.
yes मेरा last chance and I'm thinking कि मैं क्या add purple ये कौन सा brilliant purple oh damn इसमें purple लिखा है pink है ना वही तो okay I'll add black in it I don't know I'm gonna take a big risk I know this
Okay, this लेके मैं. Okay, yeah, I guess that's enough.
कुछ भी.
Yes, that's
ये
enough.
होता भी है क्या कुछ?
नहीं, that's good.
Let's begin. The fluid art plus है. हम उसको zigzag pattern या कोई भी हमारे pattern के हिसाब से हम लोग डालेंगे.
good definitely okay let's
देखो इधर कुछ तो है.
हाँ
ये इधर देख.
ये क्या कर रही है
अरे नहीं देख रेड लगा हुआ है.
अरे क्या रुक मैं भी लेती हूँ
अरे नहीं.
अरे
नहीं कुछ नहीं. मेरे चेहरे पे कुछ नहीं लगा. मेरे चेहरे पे कुछ नहीं लगा. नहीं
मुझे पता लगा है
नहीं.
मुझे पता लगा है
नहीं रो नो. ना चेहरा खराब किया ना रिहा.
वेट हाँ जैसे मेरा तो खराब ही नहीं है ना राइट
नहीं यार रिहा.
इसको चले चेक
अब तो रुक जा. तू तो गई. रुक जा.
ये हाथ क्यों पकड़ना
नहीं.
ये बस हाँ हो गया सो गाइस फन पार्ट हो गया पता नहीं चेहरे का क्या हाल बन गया
ये तो फनी लग रहा है ना.
Big man, lips man.
रिहा बस कर
अरे
यार.
तो बस यार just lips से लगा है okay after a crazy fight war of pain हमने अपने जो चेहरे की डिजास्टर बनाया है
हमने अपने चेहरे पे आर्ट बनाया.
this is the artwork see how creative I am.
बताइए ये
This
रिहा
is
का
the
artwork,
creative-
ये मेरा आर्टवर्क. किसका आर्टवर्क बेटर है?
obviously mine
रिहा इस पे भी कंपटीशन यार.
yes everything is
जो भी मेरे चेहरे पे है दैट्स एन आर्ट.
okay fine
लेट्स स्टार्ट.
okay fine oh creep तेरा तो
अभी
फ्लैग ही
same
बन
mix
गया
हो गया.
फ्लैग बन गया तेरा
प्लीज अच्छा यार इसने डिजास्टर कर दिया वो सिल्वर ने.
oh my god like
हम मूवमेंट देंगे.
Oh my
That's
god.
what fluid art is.
I don't know how it's gonna look. Yeah, but तेरा अच्छा आया seriously. Came out pretty well, हाँ. Seriously, सच्ची में अच्छा आया. guys, this is such a paint work. मुझे सच में किसी का face लग रहा है and like it literally looks amazing. Really, I swear. Wait, I'm scared for mine. मैंने इतना कलरफुल बना के रखा है, मैं इसका कुछ होगा भी क्या इस दुनिया में?
सिल्वर का ही था टेंशन, वो बल्ब जैसे.
Guys, seriously, you should try it. मतलब बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सच्ची में. And you feel that you have put like your efforts.
It's your artwork end of the day.
Yeah. So I think I should start. Oh my god, after yours, I really don't think so I'm gonna win. मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा actually यार. And I'm slightly upset for myself because I don't know. I made a flower यार. Guys, I made a flower. And it's gonna look terrible. I know that very well. Why this happens with me?
Let's see, जब तक वो आता नहीं है we cannot guess
Okay.
किसका अच्छा रहेगा.
Okay, fine. I'll start.
Mount Everest जब freeze हो जाता है and it's flowing down, I feel it like that. फ्लोट होके माउंटेन से नीचे आ रहा है.
Yup.
देखिए एक लावा, एक माउंटेन, फ्रोजन माउंटेन एंड लावा की फीलिंग आ रही है मुझे.
अच्छा लग रहा है सच्ची. ना दो.
At the moment I'm just pausing it over here.
Okay guys, I'm trying. I'm scared now. I'm gonna try now. I don't know कैसा दिखने वाला है, but I'm trying. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Just utilizing it everywhere using this.
Like this color. See, जो आ रहा है ना वो कलर बहुत अच्छा है.
Okay, so guys, this is done, and now I'm gonna get this move. I don't know how horrible it's gonna look now. I really wanna win this time at least. I don't wanna lose this time.
I think purple is looking good. I think you can add some more purple.
Now where should I add? I hate this black. I took a big risk taking black.
I think it's looking pretty.
I don't know. It's horrible now.
It gives me very different feeling. बहुत अलग अलग feeling आ
मुझे
रही है.
butterfly याद आ रहा है, पता नहीं क्यों.
मुझे भी. It's more so like autumn season. Brown gives me the feeling of का bark. ठीक है. The pink color here for me it makes me feel like flowers. Okay, the pinkish flowers, and black color in the art is more like age of the tree, you know. Like it's an old tree. That's what it signifies. Whereas the yellow color brings the tenderness.
I'm just gonna keep my mouth shut because I couldn't understand anything really. And just not good at these things.
It's cool. It's cool.
Let's just wait till it like gets over, and then we'll show our masterpieces. I don't know what Picasso we made. He'll only scold us what the hell you did. Is this really called like paint or what, something like that? I am really hating mine.
So guys,
I shouldn't have added so many colors. It just created disaster for me right now, and I am not gonna win this as well.
don't lose hopes.
I am losing already. I wanted to make it pretty, and I'm not happy with my work. Yo, Priya again.
So flow ही नहीं करता.
The ball. Freak. Seriously, guys, see this. This is my hair right now. Guys, I made this. Oh shit, man. मैंने कितने अपने बाल में लगा पेंट. Destroyed my hair. Okay guys, this is my final work, and this is a shit which I know very well that I'm not gonna win.
And this
Obviously.
is my work.
Describe this, Akka.
Like if I have to describe this, I feel this is 2020.
Huh? 2020?
It's 2020
Why?
because 2020 is the khichdi. This is that I feel it has everything in it.
But
I
I
think
made
this
it
is
there.
2020.
But my
This art is
paint is
2020.
like a lock. I know.
Like have a closer look. It's exactly what I feel is 2020 look like.
Okay, fine. Let's leave this.
And what do you feel about my art, Neha? My art is actually the combination of the fluid art and the glow art.
Okay, so to be honest, I actually feel that it's really good. It's a lot and lot and lot and lot better than mine. obviously the combinations are very well taken and it's still flowing आपका. So obviously the combinations are taken very well. I feel that there is a proper mixture of colors which isn't there in my work at least. So there is like a lot of khichdi, like all colors are mixed up, and you intelligently took some good colors, and finally we can see the output is like only the blue and the red is the most like dominant color, and then there's browns and silver and there's orange, which we can see a little like lighter shade, and I feel that it's really good work. And to be honest, I feel like you see this is the the blue part. It feels like water. It feels like waterish, and this red part I feel like it's like fire. And to be honest, I feel like Avengers. Because this looks literally the Avengers colors. Okay, red and blue Avengers logo. But then too, it's lot better than this shitty work.
It's not shitty, Riya.
It is.
See, but
So I hope that you like this video. Make sure that you like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave a comment and tell us who did better work. Obviously it's gonna be her, because clearly I didn't win, and I am not gonna take the credit for this, at least for this work.
it depends कौन कैसा दिखता है.
I know there's like
ठीक है, I think
perception
we
about
हम लोग
people.
कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते. Both are good. I think हमने at least कुछ representation दिया है. That's good.
Okay guys, that's it for this video.
I hope you enjoyed हमारा fluid art.
Okay, this is your birthday gift. Okay,
Nice,
and this is my
nice,
birthday gift.
nice.
So clearly I did won this challenge, guys. Finally I won this. This is my birthday free gift from my sister, and she told me that I'm gonna win this. So I won this challenge. So literally, Ritu, what is this shit? What is this? See, this is what she does. See, this is what she does. She creates such paintings. See, look at mine. Mine looks so good.
हो गया.
Yes, finally.
Thank you guys
Thank
for
you for
watching.
watching,
I
and
hope you
that enjoyed it. Make sure
And
that
do
you
try
like.
at home
Yeah,
if you
please
want
do.
to.
If you want to try it, because this was really good. We enjoyed a lot, really. Look at our face. This
Art.
is what our face looks like right now. White artwork. You can see my hair as well. Pink, some look purple, some look black, and I can see her hair looks like grey color. So, chalo
But
guys.
because of the paint.
Yeah.
Disclaimer.
So, chalo guys.
Bye.
Bye. Peace out.
कचरा किया तूने.
Yes.
I know.
कच्चा हम दोनों ने किया है.
नहीं तभी मेरा अच्छा कचरा है, तेरा कचरा है. I don't even know what does that mean.
Pink as well.
See.
Okay, मैंने ये भी add
Riya,
किया.
you're gone case now.
Yes, I think. Okay, fine. मेरा हो गया.
कैमरा भी नहीं zoom कर रहा. हाँ.
I'm gonna make it look surrounding.